box to my Clé de Peau delivery, and I've had 2 weeks to kind of test out and get to grips with all the products. So I just wanted to share my thoughts on those products with you guys. And I'm going to start with the La Crème. So I was really excited to try this because I wanted to buy it for a while, but because it's around £500, it was quite pricey, and I didn't get around to trying it. So the first thing that I really like about it is a lot of expensive creams come with spatulas because it's more hygienic, obviously, than putting your fingers in. And I love that I won't lose this one. And so for the packaging side of it, I love it. And it's sitting on my dressing table, and I just think it looks so pretty. So that's the packaging side. The fragrance is really nice. As a cream itself, if you're someone who loves rich creams, I think it's a great one, because I usually break out from rich creams, and I didn't from this. So that's a really great thing. It also definitely is moisturizing my skin, and that moisture is holding sort of throughout the day, and then because of that making my fine lines look much more diminished. But that's about as far as, for me, the benefits have gone. I haven't noticed a difference in the actual skin tone or tightness, but my skin just feels super hydrated and soft, and because of that my fine lines are showing less. So if you're someone who likes, you know, beautiful packaging, beautiful creams, and you like really rich creams, I actually would recommend this. So I really like it. So that's the La Crème. And the next product I'll talk about is this. So this is the multi-use oil, and you can use it on your hair, on your skin, on your body. So far I haven't tried it in my hair, but I tried it on my body, and it is super hydrating, and it smells really good. So I had it on my body, and especially like my elbows and my knees, and my husband was like, oh, you smell really good. So that's a nice thing about it. And I used it also on my cheekbones to give a bit of highlight on those days when you're not really wearing foundation. I just put a bit of concealer and then this to kind of highlight, and I really like that too. It's definitely super softening, and then it gives you a large amount of the product, which I really like, because I feel like a lot of brands you're getting like this much of everything, so it's quite a substantial amount. And yeah, the actual name is the Radiant Multi Repair Oil, so I guess it's also good if you've got a cut or a scar that you're trying to heal over. And yeah, this is definitely a thumbs up. Really like it. The next one I'll talk about is the serum. Again, the packaging really cute. It definitely leaves a lovely glow. It has a nice texture. But in terms of skincare benefits, really all I'm feeling is the hydrating aspect, similar to the cream. It's not really tightening, but it is. The way my skin looks when I have it on is nice. It's got this kind of nice glowy but not shiny oily look to it. So I do really like it, but because it's quite expensive, I'm not sure, because right now I use like the Ferulic Skin Cuticles serum. So I would probably stick with that because I feel like I'm getting more benefits, but maybe in the winter when my skin's super dehydrated, I would reach for this. So that's the La Serum. And then they also gave us a bit of makeup. So this eyeshadow palette, which is so beautiful. The one thing I really can say about this brand is I think they just go all out with the packaging. And I think this color palette would be great for Christmas time. I just have to figure out how to use the pink one. I've seen makeup artists use it, and it's beautiful. I just haven't had practice with it yet. But it also comes with a kind of gel eyeliner in it, which is so useful to have in a compact. That's like a waxy texture there. Oops, dropped something. And then the lipsticks. So I'm really into kind of matte lipsticks at the moment, even though this is looking kind of shiny because I've got Vaseline on underneath. So I'm not sure if I would use this, but the colors are really beautiful. So this is like a kind of pinky color, and this is the red, which I guess is quite kind of geisha, which goes with the whole theme of the Japanese kimono effect box. And actually it is a beautiful toned red. It's got that bluiness in it, which I quite like. And again, the packaging's beautiful. It's weighted nicely. So yeah, that's it, guys. Those are all the Clé de Peau products that came in the kimono box. Now I'm going to show you some of the products that I actually used from them already and have been using for a few years. So for me, this is my favorite thing that they make. It is called the Radiant Fluid Foundation. And it just gives you, for me, it gives great coverage, but so glowy and doesn't look cakey. It really looks like skin. I know you hear that a lot, but this is, for that explanation, this is the best of that kind of foundation I've ever found. I really love it. And the color I use is 040. So that's that. And then obviously everyone knows about their concealers. I use them for contouring a lot. They're amazing. I don't use them for my under eyes just because my under eyes are so dry. But for concealing marks and for contouring, like, I have them in so many colors. That's not even all of them. And then I also have their setting powder, which is good. But I'm just using powder less than this lately, but this is a really good one. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's my Clé de Peau review, and I hope that was helpful.